Hey everybody, soybean farmer here. Well, I got in the field and I've cut some beans. Let's see if we can't get them in the truck. Well, that's the first hopper load for the year 2017. Got a few issues out here. I planted these beans. I've mentioned it before about planting them on such narrow rows. Well, the first problem with that is I can't see the ground. And we've already talked about the header height control. I was going to come back up the field one more time, and I ran my head in the ground. I'm not proud of it. I caught it before it pushed dirt up in the machine, and so I got to reach back in here and do that. There's screens inside of the combine that'll the dirt will fall through, but my biggest aggravation, see that dirt on that cutter bar? Ain't good for it. And we're fighting a little bit of morning glory, but for the most part it's breaking up and going on through the machine. Now I'm so glad I stopped and found that. Appears to be very solid dirt clod. Now, this is how the morning glory gets hung up in here. It gets real aggravating. Last year we were fighting morning glory. Cousin Scotty Rock and I were getting this stuff off, and he pulled a knife out of his pocket and did that, and I was over here pulling and fighting it. I looked at him, I said, I wish I had a knife. I think he said something like, you ought to get one. So I did. The worst of the morning glory is right over there. But I'm going to do that little trick I did last year where you take about a third of the head into it and it causes it to stretch it out across that platform auger, but it still tangles up in the fingers here on the reel. Well, I don't know how this is going to work with me trying to wear these glasses instead of these glasses because I can't see the ground. But I'm going to give it a good try. Be ashamed to say, yeah, I bought these glasses and I can't make video with them because I can't see the ground. Let's see if we can get us another load. All right. Let me see now, where is my place that I'm going to break that auger off? Engage. Shut door. Having to crawl along real slow because this little combine was never intended to harvest bean rows planted this close together. And that's the morning glory wrapping up around the drum down there. I can go until I start throwing beans back over the top. If that happens, you got to stop and untangle it. Take less head, maybe I can knock it off. There it went. Yeah, this is bad not being able to see the ground. Right there is where I ran it in the ground, headed this way a while ago. No choice now but just step over it. Like that. See what happens taking a full head and how I have to crawl.
starting to throw it back over the top now, so I'm going to stop and clean that one off. So I can get to the other end.
sure you don't want to watch this fun job, so I'm going to turn off the camera and save the batteries.